maybe we're getting a little kung fu action down here. Some Jackie Chan for you. I mean, I've learned you never know what you're going to see down here at 79th, so I don't find anything very much unusual anymore down here. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp, and today we're visiting the world-famous 79th Street Pelican Harbor boat ramp. And it should be another fun one. This crew's definitely having a good time already as well. So this one's a strange one. I literally just saw this crew leave just a few minutes ago, and they're back already. So he's coming in, but both these docks are taken up here. Oh, we're going to see the patented 79th Street concrete beaching. I don't typically recommend this. It's only safe at 79th. And actually, probably I should not even say that. It's not even safe at 79th. But, our guy... it's something... I'm not sure what's going on here. Something's wrong. They must have sucked something up. Oh, the fun of being on a ski. You might want to take your kid off, man, before you start trying to flip the ski over. And here we go. He's enlisted a little bit of help. And obviously, something has been sucked up. I wonder if they're going to be able to get it out. Sometimes this can be a complex process, and sometimes this is easy. Sometimes you can get your hand in there and pull it out. Other times, you got to get on the trailer and start taking the pump housing apart. So, well, it looks, I mean, maybe they don't have anything sucked up. He's getting back on the ski, which tells me he wants to at least test it and see if it's going to work. And the strange part is, even when he was coming in, it didn't appear that he had too big of an issue. I mean, nothing really overly appeared to be wrong. Oh, it's still in no wake zone, bro. Man, what are you doing, bro? And somebody on the dock's going to say something to him as well. But whatever the issue was, it appears they've got it fixed, and they'll be back on their way. And our crew's making their approach. It appears we're going to go for 6. So it looks like we got 2 people in the bow on the ready. Probably should split this up and put somebody on the stern. And Cap's got a good line. Might be a little far off the dock unless he's just trying to ride it forward. But in this situation, it's probably easier to walk it forward. Oh, Cap's hit a little brake check. We've got the stern. Watch the engine coming back into the dock. And our guys got him off. But the bow is kicking out. And now that's going to bring... oh, watch the engine into the dock. Oh, and we're going to hit lightly. But they've lost the bow completely on this one. And Cap's trying to bring it back around. Our guy here probably should just kick the stern out. Let the bow come back in. Oh, don't fall in. And grab that bow line. And there we go. Got it figured out. And these ones are always fun. So we have the broken down pontoon boat being towed in by a jet ski. The late afternoon fun here at 79th. And so the ski looks like it's ready. We've got these guys back kind of ready to be pulled again. And they're going to try and make their approach in on the dock. A couple things make this difficult. One, it's late in the day here at 79th, which means it's getting busy. We have a ton of traffic coming in and people trying to get their boats onto the dock. It's also difficult to try and control something like this from a ski, because the only way you can really turn the ski is with power, unlike a boat where you probably, even at idle, still have a pretty fair amount of control. And even with no power, if you're moving in a direction, typically if you've got an outboard, you can still control it a little bit. So our guy's going to try and get over here by the dock. What's going on, guys? They're shot blocking us, bro. But they get back out of the way, and here we are. What is he doing? He's getting in the water. So apparently one of the crew members on the boat decided that we're not going to wait on the ski to get us on the dock. And he's going to jump in and swim it over, but he swam over without a line. If you're going to do that, grab a line, bro. And the guy in the ski gets on. So our guy dove in just for the heck of it. Maybe he was just tired of being on the boat. So we're going to get the boat pulled over. We'll get a second hand off. Up, up, up. Oh, he almost fell in too. Almost. But these guys look good, and they should be able to pull this one up now. Our crew's making their approach. They're letting the stern slide out. And our guy, oh, he's straddling the bow rail. I don't like this, guys. I hate the bow rails when they get... I get nervous watching it even. So he's making his approach. And there we go. Oh, reverse cowboy with the line underneath and in between the legs. That could have caused some serious damage, bro. Definitely not the way I would recommend to do this, but he got fortunate and he made it on. And here should be one of our last crews for the night, and starting to make their approach, and I'm assuming they're trying to approach it on two. There's some people on the dock there. I can't tell if those people are with them or not, but it looks like they are. And he's going to have to pump the brakes real quick. He started drifting toward the boat on the other side. So Cap's going to try and reset this to get back over toward two. Probably should back up a little bit further than this. It's going to be a tight angle. Watch out the dock on three. And oh, Cap. It's going to be a close call. Somehow just misses it. It's kind of wild. We don't show a whole lot of night scenes down here, but this place is just as busy once it gets dark as it is during the day. Oh, hang on, Cap. Just as busy at night as it is during the day. I mean, you can show up here at 79th on a Saturday at 9:30 at night, and it will still be packed. It's just crazy. So they're making their approach. Cap's kind of calmed down. Actually, it looks like we've switched captains at the helm. And we do know the people on the dock, but it looks like we're just making some sort of handoff, and this crew will continue on and get the push off, and they'll get on. Whoa, Cap, hang on. We're being a little handsy with the throttle tonight. But it looks like they're going to be on their way and get out of here. And speaking of getting out of here, we're going to go ahead and get out of here as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.